Oh man.
What? Did you just break it?
Yep.
You cracked the window?
Alright. Back out in the shop today. We're gonna get sanding done on the inside of that. And then we've got another vehicle here that I'm gonna put some oil in it for him and get it ready to go. So I'm gonna run to the parts store, get some paint, and then I'll let you know what we're doing. So alright, I got the inside all sanded. I just need to get cleaned up and I can start painting it. I think right now I'm going to take the back window out and the front windshield out. That way I don't have to try and mask around it and make my life a little bit easier. So I will show you guys me taking the window out. So
That was close, huh?
Oh, that hurts.
Did you see your eyes flash, or your light flash before your eyes?
Daddy.
what?
Me hit my head on this.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's still burn my forehead. Oh. This. Oh.
This in there.
Oh, Dad, Mommy, they take the back tire off. They have a crack. Are you bad on me?
Oh man.
Did you
What?
just break it?
Yep.
You cracked the window?
Let me see.
I wasn't even doing anything. I was just pulling on this, and it broke. Right here, see? Well, it's a useless piece of glass now.
Now it's jump now. Now it's jump. Now it's jump.
Yep.
Now it's jump. Now it's jump now.
Well, he's still got to take it out. Have you even looked to see how much a piece of glass is for one of these?
Nope.
Well, that sucks.
Got that? No one, please. No one. No one. No one, please. I go. This is tire.
Yep.
Good. Where's the nail?
Okay, you ready to catch it?
No.
Okay, Mommy must say
Do you really want me to catch it?
Yeah, get up there and hold it because it's gonna.
So I can't run over. I don't know how you want me to catch it, but
Hold it right there. You got it?
sure.
Oh yeah.
You taking it?
Just created myself another 2 hours worth of work. Cleaning up the
Down.
window guard. I just will get to working on that because there's a bunch of glue in there. Get that all cleaned up. Alright, I got most of it all out of there, like gummy, nasty stuff. So, I think I'm going to take a wire wheel to the lip there and get it cleaned off. And then I'll paint it before the new window goes back in it, which we have to buy now because I broke the other one. So, that's fun. But I'll let you guys watch me do a little bit of this and then I'll move on to the next thing. I got it pretty well cleaned up. It's gonna be good enough for now. At least good enough to put paint on it. It'll be covered up anyway, but it's all good. So now I think I'll start cleaning everything up.
Oh, yeah, you great.
And then maybe start painting. I don't know yet. We'll see if I have time today. It is getting warm, so it's about 70 degrees, so that's good. Alright, so got everything cleaned up. It's vacuumed up. I'll blow it out again, and then maybe start washing it down. Mask off a little bit of things. A couple spots I messed up here to sand down a little bit, and then maybe we'll get to some paint today. I don't know. We'll see, but we're gaining on it anyway. So. Alright, so I'm gonna get the back window masked again. So I'm not gonna try to pull that one out after I just broke the front one. So I'm gonna mask this one off and then start cleaning everything up in here, degreasing, washing, all that good stuff, get all the dust off of everything, and then try and paint it. So let's see how far I get. Okay, that's good there. Then we gotta wash everything.
Yeah.
And then maybe we can paint it. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, now I gotta try and get out of here.
Yeah. I try to get out of here. You can't get out of here.
You can? Oh, sorry. Take it out that way. Alright, so we got the back window masked off now. We're going to start wiping everything down, getting it ready for paint, and then I'll tack cloth it and spray some Alcan on it. So keep watching and we'll show you that part. Everything's painted black now. I'm not sanding this again, so this is the color it's going to be. Be all good. Catch you next time.